channel. So today I have an exciting video for you guys. I have just making sure my camera's on focus because the other day I filmed a whole entire video and my ass didn't realize that my focus was completely off. I didn't have my monitor on, so now I have it. It's a little weird though because the monitor shows it a lot slower than what I'm actually talking, and I'm talking a lot with my hands. I really do that. I don't know why. But I am so excited. I'm going to be dipping into the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collab. I didn't get the whole collab, unfortunately, but I did get the products I really wanted. So I'm pretty excited. Don't mind my shirt. This is like one of my favorite shirts. I don't know if you guys can see. It's the Breakfast Club, like, I don't know, one of my favorite movies. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go in with my primer. I'm gonna go in and take the NYX Angel Veil primer. This is probably like one of my favorite primers. So I kind of just focus this on my nose and my forehead. I already went and did my brows because it just saves time. I will do a brow routine soon. I just feel like I haven't fully gotten like my brow routine down, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I did my brows. I coated them with gel already, so that's pretty much done. I have a few new things. Well, mostly the whole collection I'm going to try. Okay, I think that works a lot better. Okay, so I already coated my lashes with, I coated my eyebrows with gel. I did my brows. I'm going to dip into the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collab. And then I also have these new Morphe brushes. Well, it is called Morphe brushes actually. Morphe brushes lashes. These are actually really pretty. These are in the style Eye Traction. So I'm really excited to try these. So I'm going to go in and prime my lids. Okay, so my lids are primed. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be going into the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's such a gorgeous palette. And honestly, it's super simple. Like, it's small, compact. It has a diverse like range of colors. I mean, it does only have 2 mattes, but I feel like you can do a lot with this palette, to be honest with you. And it's great for like traveling. So I'm gonna be going in with this shade, which I believe is Loungy. I think I want to say it's Loungy. This is Loungy. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Now they're super pigmented, like you can tell. You can see they're pretty pigmented. I'm just gonna go and start and just kind of pack it in. Since I don't set my lids with powder anymore, I just kind of stamp it on before I go and blend it out. These are actually really pigmented. Oh my god, these are really good. You guys see how pigmented that is? That is really pigmented. These blend out so nicely. Oh my god, I am very impressed. So pretty. These blend out so nicely. And the fact that I have new brushes too, even better. I have other like eyeshadow palettes from Dose of Colors. The first one, the Hidden Treasure, it's really nice and I like it. I liked it a lot when it came out. Their eyeshadow quality has definitely improved. So I'm going to go in with like a little dental brush. This one is the M433. This is not dirty, it's just stained. I'm going to go in with Wanderlust, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to focus this right below that. For for the lid shade, I am going to go in with Poquito Más, which is this one right here. Let me see if I can just cut the crease with just using this product. Since it is super pigmented, I think I'll be able to. So I think I'm going to wet it just to see if I can get a more of an intense look. Oh yeah, so much better. Okay, cool. Then I'm going to go back and go in with this shade again just to darken up the outer V. And then just go in one more time with Loungy and just go on top. And just blend that out. I'm going to go in with Sun Glow just a little bit and highlight like my brow bone. Actually no, I'm going to use the highlight for that. So I'm going to go in with Soulmate and I'm going to use that as the brow bone highlight. So I'm going to go and do the rest of my foundation and my makeup and I will be right back. Just because I want to focus this video just on the Iluvsarahii products for you guys. And kind of like at the end just give you like a review of what I think of the products. So yeah, I will be right back. So I just realized I didn't film the rest of this look. I don't know what happened. But just going to leave it like that. Not a big deal. All I did was apply the highlight. I did the bottom lash line and the inner corner and the lip. I used the highlight Soulmate, and for the inner corner I put Sun Glow and Poquito Más, and then on the lips I went in with the 951 lip liner, which is the collab with Iluvsarahii and Colourpop, and I went in with Peachii. I swear to you guys, my house is haunted. My son's toys just go off randomly. It's so weird. So then I'm just going to let that dry a little bit and then I'm going to put on a lip gloss. I think I'm going to go in with Brillo. Just think it'll pull everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and change my shirt because of course I'm not going to be wearing this shirt when I take my photos. So I will be right back. Okay, so I changed. I have this little outfit on. Figured that would just look really good with this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually still let that dry a little bit. Alrighty. I actually really like how this look came out. The products are amazing. The blendability in the eyeshadows are incredible. They blended out so nicely, I think, at least. Yeah, everything so far in this collection is A1, like legit shit. I'm gonna go in with Brillo. I've just really been into that glossy look lately. See, I just feel like it just like makes the look so much better. I'm going to be trying these new Morphe lashes. They're not new, but I've never tried them. These are actually really pretty. I just feel like they have like a funky shape to them. They did look nice in the box, but like on, I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. So I'm just going to let that dry a little bit and then I have to coat my lashes again because... Alright, so that completes the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I will leave all the products I use down below, like always. Yeah, I just don't know how I feel about these lashes. Like, Maybe I should have cut them. All in all, I really like how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.